have a swizzle stick, please try and find one because a swizzle is not a swizzle. If it is a swizzle, right? So, I kind of like that. So, if you follow your recipe, right? So we're gonna start with some mint leaves, and as always, fresh is always best, right? And what we're gonna do, we have 6 to 8 mint leaves, but you could go 10 to 12 if you like that mint flavor, right?
Depending on the size of the leaves.
Yes.
Bigger leaves, less.
Yes, right? So we're gonna slap this mint. And what that slapping does, guys, wake it up, right? And what you really want is the oils, essential oils that is in the leaves. So you want the oils to come up to the surface, alright? And we put that straight onto the bottom of the glass. And we're going to be using our demerara syrup, which is brown sugar, right? And then this is 2 to 1. So if you're using 1 cup of water, you're using 2 cups of demerara sugar, yeah? And we go with 1 ounce to the bottom of the glass. And we have our fresh lime juice. Fresh is always best. Go in the backyard, pick some limes once you have it, or borrow it from the neighbor. You know what I mean? Right? So what we have here, we have our mint, we have our sweet, and we have our sour. On top of that, we're gonna be adding some crushed ice. And like a mojito, this drink calls for crushed ice, right? Why crushed ice, guys? Tell me. Correct. It's easier to swizzle. Because if you have party ice, cubed ice, any type of ice, to get the swizzle stick down in between, it will be very hard, right? This ice is actually not quite crushed ice, but is a cracked or a nice kind of flat ice, right? So what we're trying to do here is keep the mint below and just lightly muddle. I'm going to go up with a little more ice because what you want to do, have at least 3/4 of your glass filled with ice. Alright? And here we swizzle. Swizzling is not something hard to finish because we are custom. Alright?
And it's showing you exactly where you should take away the from, right? You start in the kitchen and made it straight to the bar.
Alright. Why are we swizzling here, guys? Anybody can tell me? Alright, so we're mixing all the flavors. What else we doing? Right. We're doing a bit of dilution. Right? And also there's a bit of aeration. Because when you swizzle, you create a little air in between. And what the air does, it makes you drink a little lighter. You understand?
Egg white.
Right. So on top of this now, here's where we add our rum. And for this, we recommend 7-year-old. Anybody can tell me why we recommend 7-year-old? Taste, yes. So for this type of cocktail, you want a nice, delicious rum, right? That goes well with the demerara sugar, right? So the demerara sugar is a brown, nice, flavorful sugar as opposed to white sugar. You want some flavor there, right? And this rum is a flavorful rum as opposed to a white rum or any other type of rum, right? So honestly, it works really well, yeah? And I'm going to be adding 1 dash of bitters. And here I'm going to swizzle. Try your best to keep the mint to the bottom of the glass. If we were using like really crushed ice, it would have stayed, to be honest. But we can work with this. So we follow up, and what you want is some bitters to be floating around this drink. It's normally like 6 to 8 dashes. You can go more if you like. And then you add some more crushed ice right to the top. And you want to see the ice kind of heating up, coming up. And for this, we add our mint spray.
And you will notice that Tyrone says sprig, eh? Alright, sprig refer to the top 4 leaves. Alright, to the top of the branch. 4 young leaves.
What I'm doing here, guys.
Alright.
So sometimes when I perform this, we call it the Shangri-La, the Shangri-La. Right? Some people think I'm working a voodoo on the drinks. Right? But that's fine. So this is our drink. What do you guys think? Yeah?
And then the straw.
Yeah, that's fine.
When you put that straw.
And we add in 1 straw straight down to the bottom.
Alright, but the idea is to put that straw directly in the bouquet of mint.
Yes.
The reason for that is that the first sip that you take, it will get the aroma of mint. Alright? Guys, it's not a walk through the park, it's not a fly-by-night thing. There's a lot of thought, a lot of concentration, a lot of work goes into making cocktails. Alright? So this is our Queen's Park. Our Queen's Park Swizzle. Wait, what are you doing? You all taking pictures?
Yes,